faults. Well, AdBlue is a system that we use to lower your nitrogen oxides and pollution levels. It's part of a Euro 6 target. You can't really breach it and go any further, but they had to add it to the system as the old use of thermal wasn't working to regenerate the SCR cat. So AdBlue, in the concentrate of what it is as a fluid, is 78% water, 32% urea. It has to use water to transfer the urea around because it can't just be transferred. And it's literally just injected in order to regenerate the SCR cat. Fluid's pumped in through an injector called a dosing valve. It then goes into a blade system to chop it up and finally cut it down into particles that can be attached to the monolith within the SCR cat. And as it regens, it sticks to it, burns it, and out it goes. There's a few sensors in there to make sure that everything's working correctly. There's in a NOx sensor. Typically have 2, but some can only have 1. And the reason we use this NOx sensor 1 will see how much concentration of nitrogen oxides is coming out of the engine, and NOx sensor 2 is there to literally make sure that everything's going well and that it's regenerating and that the SCR cat's working.